Scoring 120 plus in UPSC Prelims isn't just about working hard, it's really about working smart. And honestly, the right approach can make all the difference. In this session, let's understand 10 simple yet super effective hacks that can seriously level up your preparation. So let's get started. Hack 1 is mastering the art of elimination. The deal here is most UPSC questions will leave you stuck between two options. And the trick is, instead of trying to find the right answer, focus on spotting the wrong one. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, it takes practice. Look for the words which makes no sense to you. They are usually traps. With time, you will get better at narrowing things down. And this will make a huge difference in your accuracy. Hack 2 is sticking to the 80-20 rule. Let me tell you, not all the topics are created equal, and this is where 80-20 rule comes in. Basically, 20% of the topics can give you 80% of the marks. So instead of trying to study everything under the sun, focus on the big ones: polity, environment, modern history and economy. For example, in polity, cover the preamble, fundamental rights and DPSPs. For environment, look at national parks and climate agreements. It's about working smarter, not harder. Hack 3 is reverse engineering PYQs. Now here's a hack that many people overlook. Previous year questions or PYQs are absolute gold. Go through the last 10 years and really pay attention to the patterns. What types of questions come up again and again? Which topics are being ignored? If something hasn't been asked in 5 years, chances are that it's not that important. Trust me, this can save you so much time and effort. Hack 4 is mastering current affairs in the smart way. Let's be real. Keep up with the daily newspaper can be overwhelming. But don't worry, there's an easier way. Rely on the trusted monthly compilations. Focus on current affairs that overlap with static subjects. For example, in polity, pay attention to bills and acts. For environment, look at biodiversity and conventions. And one more thing, try creating one-liners for quick revisions. They are super handy. Hack 5 is the 50-50 guessing rule. So here's a lifesaver. When you're stuck between two options, go with the one that feels more balanced. By that I mean the one aligned with constitutional values, sustainability or development goals. Avoid extreme options unless you are 100% sure. And trust me, if you can make just 4 to 5 correct guesses, that's an easy 10 marks right there. Hack 6 is solving 5 to 10 questions daily. Here's a simple yet effective habit. Practice solving 5 to 10 questions every single day. Early in your preparation, focus on individual subjects, and as you progress, move to mixed text or full-length papers. It's not about solving hundreds of questions at once, it's about understanding why you got certain ones wrong. This small habit can go on a long way. Hack 7 is following the 3x revision formula. Now let me emphasize this. Revision is everything, and the magic number here is 3. Revise each subject at least 3 times before the exam. Start with a detailed review, then summarize your notes, and finally use flashcards or short pointers for quick recalls. For subjects like polity and economy, you might even want to aim for 4 or 5 revisions. Trust me, this makes all the difference. Hack 8 is make a missed question tracker, another game changer. Maintain a notebook where you record every single question you got wrong, every fact you forget, and every concept you are unsure about. Review this notebook weekly. It's such a simple habit, but it prevents you from repeating mistakes and boosts your confidence like nothing else. Hack 9 is the test day strategy. So let's talk about approach on the actual exam day. Divide the paper into 3 rounds. In the first round, attempt all the easy and direct questions. In the second round, go for the ones that need a little more thought. And finally, in the third round, take calculated guesses, only when you eliminate at least 2 options. Your goal should be to attempt around 85 to 90 questions. This gives you the best chance of hitting the cutoff. Hack 10 is stay calm and build mental resilience. Finally, remember this, the prelims is as much about mindset as it is about knowledge. Practice staying calm under the pressure. Use exercise and meditation before mock test to simulate exam day nerves. And if you come across a tough question, remind yourself it's totally okay to skip and move on. Trust your preparation and don't let one question throw you off. And here's a little bonus tip. Mind maps and mnemonics are amazing for static topics like polity and history. For For example, use mind maps to visualize connections between concepts. And for tricky facts, create mnemonics like for BRICS, remember Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, or for climate conventions like Kyoto, Cancun, Rio, Paris, Stockholm. For these also you can use this mnemonics. These small tricks can make a big difference during the revision. So there you have it, 10 hacks to help you score 120 plus in UPSC CSE Prelims. Remember, it's all about balancing preparation with smart strategies. Solve at least 30 mock papers, analyze your mistakes and focus on quality revision. You have got this. Now go out there and ace the exam. If you found these tips helpful, let me know the favorite hack in your comments. Good luck with your preparation. You are going to do great.